camera right now. Hello everyone, I'm with my colleague here, Doris, and she is the mommy miracle. However, she came to me struggling with how to make money on the internet. She knew nothing about online marketing, and in fact, she's never even made $1 before online, and I helped transform her life. Doris, take it over from here.
Hi, how you doing? As she said, I'm Doris, I'm Mommy Miracles. And guess what? I went to Ariella and I said, Ariella, how do you make money online? And guess what she told me about? Her program, Done For You. And she said, I can promise you your first sale. I said, no way. She said, yes. And that's what she did. I got my first sale from my girl here, the Done For You girl. And she helped me get my first sale.
Thank you so much. Click the button below and join me right now and let me help you too make money on the internet.
Nice.